Yum, yum. Daddy makes such good food. Oh, that was a big bite. Can I see? Can I see? Let's go in. That's a girl. Okay. Let's do it again. Oh, good job. No, this way. That's a girl. Look, Daddy, I'm feeding. I'm eating myself. I'm trying to use the spoon in a big girl way.
You're doing a good job, Alabay.
Wait. All right, maybe not. Oh, you're a big girl.
Today is Monday, June 20th, and we've only been home for 3 days now. And Alabay loves the congee.
Because Daddy makes great congee. Don't you love
And
my bedhead?
she's doing very good, and she and Maddie are getting along great now. They didn't start out that way. And she's a little distracted outside because there's birds tweeting outside. But she's doing great. Right, Alabay? Hi, sweetness. Say hi to everybody. Hi.
Oop. I'm coming.
She's ready for more.
Mama's got to eat, though.
So long for now. I guess she wants to eat now, too. Here we go. Bye, everybody.